Imagine, um, making money while you sleep using AI. No skills needed, and I know that
Yeah,
sounds
that
wild,
really grabs you,
but it's
right?
all laid out in this fresh content that breaks it down into 5 powerful income streams.
Absolutely. It's like, unlocking a secret door to passive income, right? What's the first method they dive into?
Well, the first method is AI-powered blogging and content creation. It's so cool. You use tools like ChatGPT or Copy.ai to generate blog posts, emails, and even
Mm,
scripts without actually writing yourself. Seriously, you can monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, and even sell AI-generated ebooks.
that sounds almost too easy. But then what about video? Did they mention something about a faceless YouTube channel?
Exactly. The second method is AI video automation. Imagine starting a YouTube channel completely without recording or editing videos. You can use tools like Pictory, AI, or Synthesia to generate videos complete with voiceovers and
Yeah,
animations. And then you earn from YouTube AdSense and even sponsorships.
it's like outsourcing the creative work to AI, right? What's the next revenue stream?
Next up, we have AI-powered digital art and NFTs. Picture this. You don't need to know how to draw because tools like Midjourney or DAL can create stunning digital artworks for you.
Mm,
Then you sell these on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or even on NFT marketplaces like OpenSea.
that's pretty ingenious. Though, I gotta ask, aren't NFTs a bit volatile at times? It seems like a risky side of passive income.
True, they can be a bit unpredictable, but it's all about diversifying. The idea is to use AI as a tool to get into digital art without, the heavy lifting.
Yeah, diversification really is key. So, what's next after digital art?
The fourth method is AI affiliate marketing. This one's almost like autopilot earnings. You use a tool like Jasper AI to generate automated emails and sales copy that drive your ClickBank or Amazon affiliate funnels. It's all about letting
Right.
AI do the heavy lifting in driving sales for you.
That almost feels like setting up a money machine. But it makes me wonder, can AI really manage every step without any human tweaks?
There might be a need for occasional adjustments, but overall, it's designed to be super user-friendly, even for those with zero skills. It's really about leveraging that technology advantage.
Makes sense. And the final method, something about freelancing?
Yes, exactly. The fifth method is AI-powered freelancing. This one's all about using tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, or 11 Labs to create
Yeah,
content for clients. You just sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer and start earning potentially $100 a day without needing deep skills.
I like that idea. Starting with zero skills and then scaling up as you learn. But wasn't there a call to action too?
Right. The content really encourages you to dive in and try out one of these streams today. It's all start now and leverage AI for passive income. The tone is super motivational, like a pep talk for digital entrepreneurs.
It definitely pumps you up. I mean, who wouldn't want money rolling in while they sleep, especially in a world where AI is taking over the heavy lifting?
Absolutely. It's all about smart, efficient work. And if you're wondering which method to try first, the content leaves it up to you. Comment below what excites you the most.
Yeah, it's hands-off enough for beginners, but has room for advanced tweaking as you grow your skills. There's a fine balance there, wouldn't you say?
Definitely. It's like you start in the shallow end, and before you know it, you're diving into deep waters, refining your approach.
Exactly.
It's all about gradual mastery.
This approach really democratizes earning potential with AI. It kind of reshapes the traditional idea of passive income, doesn't it?
It does, and it shows that anyone, regardless of background, can tap into these streams with minimal skills and maximum enthusiasm. And
Right
that's a
on.
game changer.